We'll guide you through how to add shadow to text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to add shadow to text in Figma, start by getting yourself into the workspace. So go ahead and open up Figma from your desktop or apps list with a quick double-click on the icon. Once the app loads, open up any existing project file you want to work on from the home screen. Press F on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. Then click and drag on the canvas to create a frame that will sit behind your text as the background. With that frame selected, head over to the right-hand panel and find the Fill section. Click the plus button to add a fill, then click the color swatch and choose any background color you want for your design. Next, press T on your keyboard to switch to the text tool. Click somewhere inside the frame and type out your keyword or any text you want to style. Press Escape once you are done typing so you exit text editing mode. While the text layer is still selected, look over at the right panel and adjust the font size field to whatever size fits your layout best. Right below that, click the text color swatch and choose any text color you want to use. To make sure the correct layer is active, click directly on the text layer again from the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Now scroll all the way down the right panel until you find the Effects section. Click the plus button on the right side of that row to add a new effect. Figma should automatically apply a drop shadow effect to your text. If it adds layer blur instead, just click the effect name and switch it to drop shadow from the drop-down menu. Click the small settings icon beside drop shadow to open the controls, then adjust the X and Y fields to change the shadow direction. Change the blur value to soften the shadow. Pick a color for it using the color swatch, and use the eye icon to toggle the shadow on and off for comparison. Finally, press Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac to save everything safely.